Steak vs. salad, that is, which one truly champions your testosterone levels? Dive into the carnivore diet and vegan lifestyle showdown to unveil the truth. Imagine biting into a juicy steak after a tiring day, convinced it's your testosterone's secret lie. Meanwhile, across the table, someone is relishing their kale salad, believing every bite is boosting their vitality. The carnivore diet vs. vegan lifestyle. Which one genuinely reigns supreme for testosterone levels? This isn't just a culinary debate, it's a hormonal showdown. So whether you're rooting for the ribeye or the radish, buckle up. Step 1. Unraveling the testosterone tale. Let's start with the basics. Testosterone is that backstage rock star that controls everything from muscle growth, mood swings, energy bursts, and yes, the steamy moments under the sheets. Both men and women need it, so there's no escaping its clutches. Step 2. The carnivore's corner. To the meat lovers, every bite of that succulent beef or tender chicken isn't just about taste. It's nutrition. Rich in zinc and vital minerals, meat is hailed as a testosterone booster. And there's cholesterol. Think of it as the misunderstood hero of our story. It's a foundational block for testosterone, proving that every story has two sides. Step 3. The vegan victory lap. But hey, don't underestimate the power of the plant kingdom. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds come armed with antioxidants. Think of these antioxidants as the protective shield in a video game, ensuring that the testosterone factories, testicles in case you wondered, are functioning at full capacity. Plants might not roar like a lion, but they've got the steady strength of the tortoise. Step 4. The soy saga. Hey, I heard soy is the arch nemesis of testosterone. Heard that before? We all have. Let's set the record straight. Moderate soy consumption isn't your T levels doom. So if you're dreaming of that soy stir fry tonight, go for it. Step 5. Data dive. Numbers don't lie, and science is our trusty compass. While individual studies might swing the pendulum either way, a holistic view reveals a surprising fact. There's minimal difference in testosterone levels between our meat aficionados and green warriors. It's like two paths leading to the same majestic view. Step 6. Life beyond the plate. Here's the twist. Testosterone's dance is influenced by more than just food. The hours you sleep, the weights you lift, the stressors you juggle all play their part. Imagine trying to bake without following the recipe properly. Missing out on any ingredient might just make your cake flop. Step 7. Quality is the queen. Whether you're nibbling on steak or snacking on spinach, it's the quality that stands tall. Opt for grass-fed over processed meats. Embrace fresh, organic vegetables over those drenched in pesticides. It's not just about food categories, but the conscious choices within them. Step 8. A sip of analogy. Imagine you're at your favorite coffee shop. Some love their coffee black. Others need a splash of almond milk. And then there are those who want that whipped cream on top. Is one way superior? No. Similarly, our bodies respond to diets uniquely. It's about finding your perfect brew. Step 9. The bigger picture. We live in a world of diverse diets and lifestyles. Each has its merits and challenges. It's less about which diet wins the race and more about understanding the marathon that is life. It's the synergy of diet, lifestyle, and individual physiology. Step 10. The ultimate revelation. Steaks or salads, tofu or turkey. The final call is this. When it comes to testosterone, it's not just about what's on your plate, but what's in your lifestyle. A balanced approach where you listen and adapt is key. So here we are at the crossroads of culinary choices and hormonal health. While this debate might never get a unanimous winner, one thing's clear. Informed decisions and a balanced life will keep those T levels thriving. Before you scamper off to your next meal or YouTube binge, ponder this. That is, if your personality were a dish, what would it be and why? Let your culinary creativity shine in the comments below. We can't wait to feast on your responses. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more empowering insights and revelations. Let's journey together.